Today is Saturday, September 27th, 2010, and this is the damage at Mom and Dad's house of the blizzard. And here all our limbs are down. They've been out without power since very early Friday morning. There's a tree blocking the road up the roadway about a quarter of a mile up, so the plow hasn't been through because they need Central Hudson to come cut everything off the lines. Branches in the yard that, well, usually are on trees. My power just came on around 7 o'clock this morning, so we were out about a day and a half from Thursday night to Saturday morning. I'm very happy to have it back, and hopefully our furniture will be delivered today because we bought some bedroom furniture. But that's what we have here. You can see the mounds and mounds of snow and everything. It's ridiculous. Frank and I stayed here last night because Dad has a generator. That was very nice to have heat this morning, and Dad went out for coffee and really kind of made the day.